Do you ask yourself at times like, am I on the right path? Am I really manifesting my desire? Am I really heading for that success I want? And there are times you are doing tools, techniques, processes, but you have this question inside of you. If you have this question, or if you wonder from time to time, or even if you are not wondering but thinking that things are going in the right direction or not, then this video is for you, because today I'm going to give you the 7 signs which will help you understand that you are on the right path. And in case if you are missing something, that you can refine your vibration, align yourself so that you will put yourself on the path of manifestation. Are you ready to know these 7 signs of manifestation? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello Awesome Tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Now from time to time, so many of you are keep asking me like, AJ, how can I know that I'm on the right path? Or there are times I don't feel like manifesting, or there are times I'm struggling. What should I do? So I'm going to give you 7 signs that you have to watch out for, or if you are already getting some of these signs, then you are moving in the right direction. Now if you are new here, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram, because I am sharing lot more updates, lot more positivity, lot more insightful videos there on a daily basis, and it's growing fast. So you should join me on Instagram. Now the number 1 sign of you are on the right path or you are manifesting is whenever you think about your goals, desires and dreams, you feel excited, you feel joyful, you feel a sense of determination. So some positive emotions evoke most of the time. But if you are someone who constantly feel fearful, doubtful, desperate, whenever you think about your goals or dreams that you are manifesting, then you are not on the right path. You are not on the right vibration. It's time for you to really change yourself. It's really time for you to work on yourself. But whenever you think about the dream, you feel excited, or you feel joyful, or you feel confident that yes, I'm manifesting it. Yes, I'm achieving it. Or you feel excited thinking about, wow, how that moment will be when I'll be manifesting this, how joyful that experience will be. If you feel like this, then you are on the right path. This is the number 1 sign. Now the second sign is, which is not directly relevant to your manifestation, but which is relevant to your alignment process, like your vibration are aligned, which is like seeing repetitive numbers 111, 1111, 222, or 2222, 3333, like that, or 444, 555, like this repetitive numbers. Because when you are seeing these repetitive numbers, these numbers are getting aligned in a certain way to give you a sign that your vibration are also rearranging themselves in the right direction. So vibrational alignment, these numbers are a sign of vibrational alignment. There is a specific video on this. If you are seeing these numbers and wondering what does that mean, then I have few videos on this topic, on these repetitive numbers. I'll be putting the link in the description, in the comment section. You can watch those videos to understand it better. Now the third sign, and which is again a very important sign, is even your small thoughts start manifesting. What does it mean? Small thoughts getting manifested. Like you think about a song, and next within an hour or so, or during the day, you hear that song. Or you think about a name and you see that name somewhere. You think about a movie, or you recall a scene from a movie, and then you see it on Facebook, or someone shared it with you somewhere, or you see a memes on that particular movie or that scene somewhere. Or you think about a country, or a country name pops up in your mind randomly, and later in the day somebody shared something about that country or that city or that particular place. So these small thoughts are not relevant to your dream, but your small thoughts are manifesting fast. So this is an important sign for you that your power of manifestation has got stronger. So even small thoughts that you are thinking or recalling about someone or something, and you start seeing it. So it's a sign for you that you are on the manifestation process, and these manifestations are telling you that you have to also use and focus on the right thought, right feeling, right vibration for your bigger manifestation. Now, sign number 4, you become happy when you hear other people are manifesting their desire. So this is very important from the point of view of what is going inside of you. People who are close to their vibration and manifestation, they become so happy or positive that when they heard other people are manifesting, or when they see people in front of them manifesting their desires, they become happy and excited and joyful. But if you are feeling doubtful, or if you get desperate, or you think that, oh, this person is manifesting or this person is manifesting, but why I am not manifesting, it's a sign of lot of blockages within you, because you are not feeling deserving of manifesting that desire. So it's time for you to start being grateful. Remember, whenever you are seeing other people manifesting their desires, the universe is giving you a sign that your desires and manifestations are also coming true. Whenever you are seeing other people manifesting their desires, the universe is asking you, listen carefully. The universe is asking you, are you ready for your manifestation? Are you ready for your manifestation? You should be saying yes. You should be saying yes, universe. Because this is the key. When you see other people manifesting, then you tell the universe, yes, I am ready for it. And if this point is an eye opener for you, or if listening to me at this point gives you that excitement and happiness, like this video and let me know in the comment section. Pause this video and let me know in the comment section how you are feeling right now. Now, sign number 5, again, which is not directly relevant to your manifestation, but it's a sign of refined vibration. Yes, and what is this? You are seeing rainbows. Yes. And in my last video, I asked you to manifest a rainbow within 12 hours. Let me know how many of you have manifested the rainbow within 12 hours, or if you have manifested within 24 hours. But if you have manifested, let me know in the comment section. Now, in that video also, I told you that rainbows are sign of refined vibration. So whenever you are seeing the rainbow in the sky, or seeing a picture of a rainbow somewhere, whether on a billboard or whether in your social media handle, but if it's a beautiful rainbow and it gives you that joy and happiness, then it's a sign from the universe to you of refined vibration, because rainbows are the sign of refined vibration. All the colors are there in the light, but a rainbow for a moment shows you the perfect arrangement of all the colors in the refined way. So whenever you see the rainbow, it's a sign of refined vibration for you. So your vibration is getting refined, getting aligned for your manifestation. Now, sign number 6, this is more about your inner self. You feel lot more peaceful, positive, or calm most of the time. Like when you think about your goals, desires and dreams, you feel excited, joyful and everything. But rest of the day, you start feeling lot more peaceful, positive or calm than ever before. And why it is so? You definitely start doing the right things on this path of manifestation. Maybe you started meditating, maybe you started practicing gratitude, maybe you started being mindful of what is going in your life. So that's why you have let go of all your worries, stress, anxiety, and you put yourself on this path of peace, positivity, happiness, calmness and joyfulness. So if you have become more peaceful, more joyful, more positive, calmer than ever before, then you are really on the path of manifestation. You are close to your manifestation. But if you are getting a lot more stressful, anxious, fearful, doubtful, then you are going away from your manifestation. You need to really stop yourself and ask yourself, what is going wrong. And here, if you are feeling a lot more anxious, stressful, negativity, it means there are a lot of negativity is going inside of you. And one of the most important thing I suggest you to do at this point is start meditating. And if you are not able to do it by yourself or refining your vibration, then I would highly recommend you to join our 21 days meditation program, Heal Your Heart meditation program. This program has alone helped thousands of people refine their vibration, being centered, connect with their positive and peaceful self, and when they did it, they start manifesting like anything. So it's time for you to go into that peaceful mode, let go of your fears and anxiety, and start manifesting joyfully. Now the seventh sign is experiencing deja vu. Yes, this is kind of a metaphysical, or this is kind of a exciting phenomena. How many of you have deja vu? How many of you have experienced deja vu? And those of you who experience deja vu regularly, let me know in the comment section, because I have so much of experience with deja vu. There are so many times I reach a new place or I'm manifesting something, and that so many times I have this feeling that I have seen it before. From where, how this comes off, many a times we don't have any idea. Sometimes maybe we have seen it in our dreams, maybe we have seen it in a visual state while meditating, or something in deep imagination or something, but many a times we have this deja vu. So it means the visual, or you start getting a lot more visual of your future, a lot more visual of what is coming forward. So your alignment is getting stronger. So this is a very interesting state of being in the manifestation state. So these are the 7 signs of you manifesting, or you are close to your manifestation, you are on the right path. All of you may not be having all the 7 signs, but you must be having the key signs. See, if you look at the 7 signs, there are 2 kind of signs. One, the kind of signs that comes from within, like when you feel excited and joyful about thinking about your dreams or focus on your dreams, you being happy about other people's manifestation, you being a lot more peaceful and calm within. These are coming from your inner vibrational state, which are very important. And then there are external signs which are coming from outside, from the universe, to tell you that your vibration are getting aligned. When you see repetitive numbers, when you have deja vu, when you see rainbows, all these things are external signs. So the internal signs are even lot more important for you, because you are refining, and when your internal signs get refined, internal vibrations get refined, you start seeing the external signs lot more than ever before. So let me know in the comment section which are the signs you are seeing, especially if you are going through a lot of stress or anxiety, then you should join our Heal Your Heart meditation program. Check the link in the description. And I want all of you to remember one thing: you have the power to manifest your dreams. You are the magical creation of the God. You are the awesome creation of the universe. Never ever let any negativity stop you from manifesting. Keep going forward, keep manifesting your goals, desires and dreams, because you deserve to live your awesome life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If this video has inspired you, subscribe, be a part of our awesome tribe, follow me on Instagram, and as always, stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you.